we have the Pro Build steering box collection from the pros at Airkewld. We have the Eco Bill, which is a non-finished box, all the same internals, just not finished. So it saves the costs. Nothing is blued and nothing is painted or powder coated. OEM steering box, powder coated box, blued parts, oil soaked cap. The HD, only thing different is the cap itself. This cap is 40% tougher than that cap and that cap. That cap will not be offered on that box. 3 different versions: cheapest, next cheapest, most expensive, only by like 18 bucks. The Pro Built steering box line. They're factory Volkswagen cases, audited internals, done to a level that the Airkewld Army requires. For more information, check us out online, airkewld.com.